Good morning everyone. I hope you are all well at your home. So today we are going to start with the important topic, that is synthesis of sentences, but not full synthesis of sentences. Now in our syllabus simple to compound sentences are there. So first of all we should have to learn what are the simple sentences and what are the compound sentences. Clear? So we will come to know about that. So first of all, simple sentences. What are the simple sentences? I will tell you. So simple sentence. So we will see simple sentence contains a subject and a predicate, means to say simple sentence is having only one subject and one predicate. Predicate means the boys is a subject and went to the park is the predicate, means to say the simple sentence is having only one subject, one object as well as one verb. Now the boys is a subject, went is a verb, after that the park is what? It is the object, and to is, you know very well, to is a preposition to join it. Clear? So it expresses a complete thought. Simple sentence is that kind of sentence in which the complete thought is shown, means to say the boy went to the park, it is having a complete sense, it is on. Fine. So the simple sentence is also called the independent clause. Okay? So just because it is not dependent on any other clause or sentence, that is why it is called the independent clause. Clear? I hope it is clear to you. The simple sentence is clear to you. So now we will see the compound sentence. So compound sentence, complete sentence plus complete sentence, it is written over there. So the sentence, two sentences are there. In compound sentence, two sentences are there or more than two can also be there, but all are having their independent identity. Okay? All are having their independent identity, means to say that if we want to separate them, we can. Clear? So we will see one example. He grabbed his umbrella, it was raining outside. He grabbed his umbrella, it was raining outside. Or both of these sentences are what kind of? These are the two simple sentences. Okay? He grabbed his umbrella, it was raining outside. Both are having their separate identities. Two separate sentences, complete sentence are there. So if you want to convert into the compound one, then what will be used? He grabbed his umbrella for it was raining outside. Okay? We have used for over there to change into the compound one. So these are some conjunctions that we can use to change into the compound sentences, two simple sentences into the compound one and more than two simple sentences into the compound one. Okay? Some conjunctions are there that are called coordinating conjunctions, that are called coordinating kind of conjunctions. So the conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Some are they have given, and they have also given the formula to use or trick to learn. Okay? Fan boys, F fan, F for A and nor, but B but, O or, Y yet, and S so. So these are all coordinating conjunctions. Okay? So we can use coordinating conjunction in order to convert two simple sentences into the compound one. Clear? So the next we will see compound sentence is sentence with at least two independent clause. Okay? Two independent clause should be there. means to say they are having their own separate identity. जैसे we'll see, I drink green tea, they drink coffee. ठीक है, they are having their own identities, but coordinating conjunction is used here. That's why they had become, the sentences had become the compound one. So I drink green tea, but they drink coffee. This clause could stand alone as a sentence. I have already told you that they are having their own separate identity. ठीक है. So joining method, I have told you coordinating conjunction should be used. A compound sentence has at least two independent clauses. More than two can also be there, but at least two clauses should be there. Clear? So next we will see some examples, and coordinating conjunctions are there. First of all, for, I have already told you, for, and, nor, or, but, yet, and so. Clear? So some examples are also there. He is tired for he works really hard. He is tired, it is having its separate identity, and he works really hard, it is also having its separate identity. Clear? I love studying English and math. Suppose I love studying English, I love studying math, ye both are having kya? What? These are the simple sentences, they are having their independent identity. But when we have used and over there, I love studying English and math, okay, then it is now compound. He does not smoke nor drink. He does not smoke nor drink. So nor is also the coordinating conjunction. Now the sentence has become the compound one. Serena likes cakes but hates cookies. So in this, what has used but is used just because one liking is there, one disliking is there. We can eat chicken or pork for a dinner. ठीक है. So this is, in this sentence, choice is there. He is sick yet he is working. Clear? He is sick, even then he is working. Just like that, na? This kind of sense is there. So the yet should be used. Jin was hungry, so he ate all the pizza. ठीक है. Jin was hungry, so both are having their separate identities. Jin was hungry, he ate all the pizza. Clear? Some more example from the book we will see. He worked very hard, it is having the separate identity. His health broke down. This is the two simple sentences. These are, he worked very hard, it is also having their separate identity, and his health broke down, it is also having the separate identity. ठीक है. So these are the two simple sentences. So we have to combine each set of simple sentences into the compound one. He worked very hard, so his health broke down. Now it has become compound just because we had used the coordinating conjunction here. Wise men love truth, fools shun it. So wise men love truth, just both are having the separate identities. Now they are giving not the positive sense. One is having the positive, another is a negative. So we have to use but over there. Wise men love truth, but fools shun it. So now it has become compound. Next one, I crossed the river, I rang the bell, no one answered me. I crossed the river and I rang the bell, but no one answered me. Clear? So now the fourth one, Ram is strong, Sita is weak. Both are having their separate identities. Both are having their own sense. Now Ram is strong but Sita is weak. Now it has become compound one. I hope these sentences are clear to you. Thank you.